Welcome. If you want to sync in with your Google account on Xiaomi Mi TV Stick, at the first you have to enter the settings. You can find it in the right upper corner. Next we have to move for the accounts and sync in. And as you can see, at the first we got our account, but we can add another one. So choose this option below. Okay, we are going to skip, we have to click sync in and then use our remote, but you can also make it from your phone. Right now we have to input our email. And if you do, just go for this arrow on the right side, click OK. And next we have to enter our password. And then go another time, right here on the right side, click OK. And as you can see right now, we get here 2 accounts. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.